commercial town. GDN. Wow, it's hot.
This guy's not headed a month. What are you talking about, the other one?
I'm talking about the other train that we saw, the eastbound, makes freight at 155 cars and 2 engines. Oh, there's a gondola!
Top speed of 35 miles an hour.
85 cars and 2 engines.